Shipwrecks occur because of mechanical problems, massive storms, human mistakes, or just someone's stupidity. In this video, we will show you unbelievable moments at sea, and you'll see many big terrifying accidents from the sailor's own eyes. Ready to set sail? Let's dive in! This dramatic footage shows the ball carrier Arvin breaking in the Black Sea off the Turkish coast. Watch as the vessel battles waves, leading to the catastrophic split in half of the entire ship with screams and chaos on board. Leaked footage taken by the Japanese Coast Guard shows a Chinese fishing boat first colliding with the Japanese patrol boat.
Oh my god.
And as if that wasn't enough already, the fishing boat also starts running into its side, causing black smoke to rise from its stern.
Check this out. When people build houses in the middle of the ocean, this is what happened. Watch as a massive rock flood surges through Zermatt, with debris and boulders rushing fiercely.